Hello all, welcome to Sri Purnima. This is Jyoti. We are having a small home-based store located at Sadashivam Nagar, Madipakam, Chennai. Okay, we deal with sarees and dress materials. So last weekend I couldn't able to come to live. I have some knee issues, so that's the main reason. So there will be some hitches going on. Okay, so today I am having some silk blend sarees. It's a Kanchi silk blend sarees priced at 1100 rupees, 1100. The price of each and every saree is 1100. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges is 60 rupees within Tamil Nadu and 100 rupees rest of India. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost plus shipping charges. Okay, so the resellers are also welcome. So I will move with the sarees and explain the details along with the showcasing. Okay, so all of them are Kanchi silk blend sarees. Okay, so all of them are Kanchi silk blend. Okay, this is the first one. It's a bottle green color. Okay, so you have the Kanchi design. It's a butta in the borders. All of them are priced at 1100. It has a dual tone shade, okay, in the blouse and the pallu. It's a bottle green with blue color combination. So this is the first saree. It's a bottle green color, okay. It's all over the body. You have the embossed design as well. So this is the pallu. You have a rich golden pallu. It's a golden pallu, okay, it's not copper paste, it's a golden pallu. So you have this kind of rich golden pallu in the saree, and the blouse is a dual tone. As I said, it's a blue shaded, okay, it's a blue shaded one. So this is the first saree. It's a bottle green color combination. So if you want order the saree, or if you have any enquiries, please take the screenshot of the saree and WhatsApp me at 9150556870. So please take the screenshot for the further enquiries. Okay, so if you there will be lives continuously, so if you ask for the live videos, it's a little confusing for us to share the details. So if you share the description or the screenshot, it will be helpful for us. So this is the second one. It's a Rani pink color with gold combination. So all of them are priced at 1100. Lightweight sarees only. It's not heavyweight. You have the embossed design in the body part. All over the body you have the embossed design. So this is the border you have, and the pallu has the floral designs and golden pallu, a rich pallu. So this is a Rani pink color. The blouse comes with the self-more color. So this is the blouse piece. You have the same color as in the saree. So these are all priced at 1100. It's a Rani pink color. Okay. So this is the second one. Please take the screenshots for the further enquiries. My WhatsApp number is 9150556870. Delivery is happening all over India except for the containment zone areas. So if your area is outside containment, you will have the product delivered as soon as possible. If you are in the containment zone, the delivery will be happening only after the lockdown. Okay. Or else you can go to the hub and pick up the thing, but containment zone persons will not be allowed, so it's not possible also. So this is the third one. It's a lemon yellow color. It's a lemon yellow color with the Kanchi borders, and this is the pallu. You have a lavender shaded pink color as a pallu. Okay, it's a light pink, baby pink color. And this is the blouse piece. It's a dual tone again. So all of them are priced at 1100. So this is the saree. It's a lemon yellow with light purplish pink combination. And this is the fourth one. Very different combination and very rich design also. So it's all embossed Kanchi silk blend sarees. Okay, you have the peacock designs in the border. So it's a pink combination, very lovely combination, a different combination. So this is the pallu. Okay, you have a very rich pallu also. And the blouse piece comes with a plain with borders. Okay, peacock borders. So this is the next saree. So this is how the next saree will be looking. So my WhatsApp number is 9150556870. My direct link also be mentioned in the description. So you can WhatsApp me without saving my number also, but directly clicking the WhatsApp direct link. So this is the next one. This is also again a dual tone shaded one. So you have a big 5-inch border in both the ends. So it's a olive green combination. It's a dual tone shaded, green and blue combination. So this is the pallu, a rich red pallu with golden work, zari work. And the blouse, it's a dark pink shaded. Okay, it's not red. In the video it's showing as red. It's a dark pink color. Okay, even in the video and the photos a slight color difference will be possible because of the resolutions of the camera settings. So this is olive green with dark pink combination. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. So resellers are also welcome. They will be having some decent margin. COD is available across all over India. Okay, COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. So this is the Rama green color with a purple combination. So this is the body part where the color, it's Rama green color. Okay, it's not blue, it's Rama green. And you have a very rich pallu, a golden pallu. And the blouse piece comes again dual tone. It's a purple with green combination. It's a dual tone blouse piece. So this is how the saree will be looking. All of the sarees are priced at 1100 rupees, 1100. Okay. Shipping charges is extra. Shipping charges is 60 within Tamil Nadu and 100 rest of India. So this is a beige with pink combination. You have the buttas all over the body. Okay, in the body you have the buttas, and this is the pallu, a medium sized border in both the ends. So you have the plain embossed blouse. Okay, it's not a plain blouse, it's an embossed blouse with the borders, same kind of borders. And this is how the saree will be looking. It's a beige with pink combination. So the next one is a violet shade. So all over body you have the embossed design and with the kanchi borders in both the ends. And a rich pallu, as you can all see. And the blouse piece comes with the dual tone. Okay, this is the blouse piece and this is the saree. So please take the screenshots of the saree for all the enquiries or orders. Okay. So next one is a red color. It's a blood red color, not a bright one. So the same design, you have the kanchi design in the borders, kanchi buttas in the borders and the embossed design. Okay, it's a red color combination. Have it blue, sky blue color. Okay, pallu, a rich golden pallu, and this is the blouse piece. It's a dual tone blouse. Okay, it's a blue with red combination, dual tone blouse. All of them are priced at 1100. Okay, 1100, ma'am. All of them are priced at 1100. Shipping charges is extra. COD is also available. COD charges is 100 rupees extra to the product cost and the shipping cost. Okay. The next one is a pink shade. All of them are lightweight sarees. It's a light pink shaded one. Okay, you have a floral designs in the borders, golden zari borders. Okay, and a very rich pallu, a golden pallu. A very rich pallu, golden pallu. Okay, it's in the video it's slightly coming as copper pallu, but the actual is the golden pallu. Okay, so this is how the saree will be looking. It's a light pink shade. So this is the look of the saree. So I'm moving with the next one. So this is the last saree for today. It's a Rama blue color. Okay, it's blue with pink combination. So the pattern is same. You have the embossed design with kanchi butta borders. Okay, and this is the pallu, a pink pallu. And the blouse is a pink one. So this is a saree. This is how the entire saree will be looking. Okay, all of them are priced at 1100 rupees. Shipping charges is extra. So this is the last saree for today. So whoever wants to book the orders or you have any enquiries, please take the screenshot along with the enquiry details. Okay, so that I can proceed with more information. So I will be posting the pictures of the sarees after the live show is done in my page. So please like and share my page. So that's all I have for today. I have some knee issues due to the lockdown situation. I can't able to have the proper treatment. So there will be some hitches in the lives. So moving forward, I will be notifying you if there is any hitches. So that's all guys for today. Please take care. There are many shops and everything has been almost open. So please take care. Thank you. Thanks for all your support. Thank you guys.